DJ ATV.
DSS refuses to produce Igboho's associate in court, stating that they have a counter order from a magistrate court. Operatives of the Department of State Services (DSS) has failed to honor the court injunction which ordered them to bring the 12 persons that were arrested at the residence of Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho, in Soka area, Ibadan, Oyo State, on the 1st of July 2021. Following an appeal that was filed by the lawyer of the 12 persons being held by the Department of State Services, the Federal High Court in Abuja gave an order that the Department of State Services should produce those 12 persons in court so that they can ascertain why they were arrested and to see if they can be released conditionally or unconditionally. But instead, the Department of State Services filed a 16-paragraph counter affidavit before the court where it said that the detained persons alongside Sunday Igboho were calling for violent ejection of herdsmen and threatened violence to perceived enemy of peace and well-being of the Yoruba nation. They also said that Igboho and the supporters, including those who were in their custodies, are suspected to be stockpiling arms with which they intend to take over the southwestern part of the country. Also noting that they were investigating the matter and that it is becoming more sophisticated, hence they had to obtain a detention order so that they can legally detain the 12 persons for 14 days in their custody. The DSS also told the court that on the 1st of July, when they raided Igboho's residence, they recovered 7 AK-47 rifles, 3 pump-action rifles, 1 stunt gun, 221 live rounds of 55.56 mm ammunition, 295 live rounds of 7.62 mm ammunition, 1 jackknife, and 19 walkie-talkies. In their counter affidavit, they said that the activities of the applicants in their custody constitute a threat to the national security of Nigeria, and any attempt to grant the applicant bail at this stage of their investigation may go a long way to spoil the things that they've already gathered in their investigation. They also said that they will not hesitate to bring the applicants to court as soon as they are done with their investigations. Justice Obiora Egwuatu had, on the 22nd of July 2021, given an order to the Department of State Services to produce the 12 persons that were in their custody since the 2nd of July 2021. The 12 persons include Abdulateef Ofeyangbe, Amoda Babatunde, also known as Lady K, Tajudi Erinoya, Diakola Ademola, Abidi Shetu, Jamai Noah, Ayobami Donald, Adelabe Usman, Oluwafelumi Kunle, Raji Kazim, Taiwo Okpeyemi, and Bamidele Sunday. The counsel to the 12 persons said that the DSS had kept them incommunicado with their clients since the arrest that was made on the 2nd of July 2021. Meanwhile, the DSS is saying that only 3 of the respondents affected by the order were currently in their custody. He said that Amoda Babatunde, also known as Lady K, Daikola Adeyemo, Ademola, and Bamidele Sunday are in their custody, and that on the 27th of July 2021, the Department of State Services handed over one of those it arrested at Igboho's resident, Abdulateef Ofeyangbe, told the police for his release. But Barrister Olajagbe Sikpelumi, who is a counsel to the applicants, have said that all 12 of his clients are being held by the Department of State Services. In his testament, he said, "My lord, this apparent affront of the authority of the court cannot be justified by the respondent." He said it was wrong for the DSS to arrest and detain the applicants for over 25 days and still insists that its investigations are ongoing. It is envisaged under the law that the investigation must have been conducted even before the arrest was made. The applicants enjoy the presumption of innocence under our constitution. Barrister Olajengbesi had urged the court to go ahead and grant the applicants bail unconditionally, ordering that the Department of State Services should release all 12 of them. The Department of State Services, represented by its counsel, Barrister Awor, informed the court that the DSS does not really want to disobey the orders of the court, but that some of the names that were given to them by the court order were different from the names of the persons they had arrested on the 1st of July 2021 at Sunday Igboho's house. But the counsel told the applicants Pelumi Olajengbesi alleged that the DSS had given new names to his client so as to cause discrepancies in the spelling of their names. Justice Egwatu had ordered that the DSS should produce the detained ADs of Sunday Igboho in court on Monday, the 2nd of August 2021. Adding that the court takes the issue of liberty of citizens very serious, and even the Supreme Court had emphasized this point repeatedly. He said it can be anybody tomorrow. So he has said that the DSS must produce the 12 people that were arrested at Sunday Igboho's house on 2nd of August 2021 in court for the court to really assess the case that was being investigated by the DSS. Meanwhile, Ilani Omo-Oduwa has reacted to the actions taken by the DSS by refusing to produce the 12 persons in their custody to court as ordered by the court. Mr. Olasupo Ojo, who is the legal advisor of the Ilani Omo-Oduwa, has said it was very audacious of the DSS to come to court with such arrogance and impunity and begin to taunt the court that they have just 3 persons with them and they are detaining them because they have the order of a magistrate court to remand them. He said that a magistrate court is inferior to the High Court, which gave the order, and the DSS is an inferior government agency to the High Court, which is a constitutional creation. He also added that it is the height of impunity and lawlessness for the DSS to come to court without obeying the express order of the court, which is couched in such a way that even a primary 6 student will understand it. Mr. Olasupo Ojo also said that the court ought not to have listened to the DSS at all, and he said he was very grateful that the judge did the right thing by upholding the rule of law and for upholding the integrity of the judiciary by insisting that the court order must be obeyed. Mr. Ojo said that was the right thing to do, and he hoped that the federal government will direct the DSS to stop this lawlessness and learn to obey court orders because they are not superior to the law, rather they are under the law. So there you have it, guys. The DSS refused to obey the court orders of the Federal High Court, stating that they have an order from a magistrate court which is actually lower than a Federal High Court. But the judge has said they must produce the 12 detainees on Monday, the 2nd of August 2021. What are your thoughts concerning this act of supposed impunity by the DSS for refusing to obey the court order, noting that they are under the law and not above the law? Drop your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJMTV News, and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. I remain your host, C0URT. Yeah.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.